So hey everyone, it's me Pooja, and today we are going to see how we can do the titration with all those things. So here we have a weighing machine, and now we are taking one paper and we are making one strip like thing so that we can keep or we can measure that. Here you can see on a screen, this is a weighing machine on this, and we are keeping one paper, placing one paper strip, and on that we are using sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, and through that we are going to do. So this is a sodium hydroxide, we are measuring it, that is of 4 grams. This is in a solid form and kept in a bottle or one box. This is one of the very important compound we can say, which is used in a chemical or in a lab also. So this is oxalic acid, which has a 99.5% acid in it, and now we are going to measure for 4.5 grams, because 4.5 grams of oxalic acid, which is in a powder form, is added into 1000 ml of water, and that makes the perfect solution. We are processing the same process, that is for 2 grams. As per our readings, we have to do all those things. Again, one more thing, in a lab we should keep our bottles cap always tight. We should tighten our bottles because they are like very costly, plus they are very important too. This is again process we are performing for oxalic acid for one more 2 grams. So it is done completely. So our NaOH solution is almost ready, and now we have to mix it properly. So my batchmates or classmates are doing it well, and now all the solutions are ready and we have to just perform the experiments. Here one of bottle is of NaOH and oxalic acid. So here like this we have to do, with the help of pipette we have to take oxalic acid and keep in a flask, that is 25 ml. So like this we have to perform until it is 25 ml in a flask. So here this is a burette stand, and this is a beaker in which NaOH is there. Now with the help of funnel, we are just adding NaOH in a burette, that is until 0.0, where with the starting of initial reading, that is 0. You can see it clearly. So this is a phenolphthalein as indicator, and we had added some drops of phenolphthalein in the oxalic acid. Here you can see that no reaction is there or no any pink color is there. As we all know, indicator doesn't react with the acid. That's why they are colorless. We are adding NaOH drop by drop. With the few at the time, this pink color will come by adding NaOH. You can see some of the lines are there of pink color. Like this is a titration we are performing, in which at the equivalent point the pink color of the indicator will come, and slowly and gradually it will come. We have to add NaOH drop by drops, or slowly. You can see that pink color is observing. This is the equivalent point we can say, and when it comes equivalent point, that means that the solution is going to be complete very soon. So you can see that pink color is coming, NaOH is going drop by drop. We have to continuously mix the NaOH and oxalic acid continuously, you can see this is a pink color, it just went. So again we have to add some of the drops of NaOH so that it will come. Again we are doing the same, like this we have to perform. Again we have to add. So this pink color didn't went. So finally this was the reaction. So this was our reading, that is 31.2, and this is the color. Now let us talk about that how to take readings of all these things, whatever we had performed the experiment, and let us go for it. So here this is the one table which we have to form. Already whatever the things we had done in our experiment, as we all know that we have taken oxalic acid for 25 ml. This is a burette reading. As you all know that this is the initial reading and this is a final reading. So initial reading was 0.0 ml and final reading was 31.2 ml of NaOH. So volume of NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, was 31.2 ml. And when this same process, all we have done the titration, if we perform 3 times, then there will be 3 readings. Like again we will use 25 ml, again 25 ml, 25 ml. Our initial reading will always be 0.0 ml, because this initial reading is a starting reading when burette has the NaOH with 0.0 ml, and when the titration performs and pink color comes, that reading is our final reading or equivalent point, as we all say. So again the 3 readings will come. This is then we will just go for average reading, and the same process we will perform. And just keep in mind that all these units we have to just keep in mind, that is ml. So now let us come to molarity of the solution and strength of the solution. So molarity, if we talk about the molarity, here N1 and V1 and N2 V2, this is the formula of a molarity. So here we have taken N1. N1 is a unknown. We don't know that what is N1. And second N2 and V2. Then N1 into 31.2, which was our NaOH reading, final reading, or we can say 0.05, that is N2, and V2 is our 25 ml, that is oxalic acid. N1 equals to 0.05 into 25 divided by 31.2, and then the N1 is equals to 0.040 mole. And if we come to strength, here is a direct formula, that is 2 divided by x into molar weight of the solution. Here we had taken NaOH as a solution, which is basic in nature. So x is here 31.2 and the molar weight of the NaOH is 40. So 2 divided by 31.2 into 40 will come to 2.56. That is approximately, we can say, 2.5. So this was all in video. I hope you will like this video and comment in it that how was the video, and just go for it again, so it will be helpful for you. So thank you, and we will come back with a new video. Thank you.